So you might get a word problem that says something along these lines, which is that if you buy 11 apples, each of them before taxes, right, this is a dollar sign, 0.38 or 38 cents. And then you'll have two people, let's say we have Liz, right, on one hand, and Danny on the other hand. Right, now Liz says that, okay, if that's true, then $4 will be enough to buy 11. And then Danny says, oh, 4.50 will be enough. Then you'll be asked something along the lines of, who is correct? Is Liz correct? Is Danny correct? Are they both correct? Or is neither correct? So all we would do, I mean, once you get past the word problem element of this, is to multiply, right? 11 apples, each of them is 38 cents. How much will this cost? Well, if I take 11 times 38, that's nice and easy, but let's just break it in pieces. I know 10 times 38 is $3, right, and 80 cents. And then I'm going to add one more apple because I have 11 of them, so plus 38 cents. And what will this get me, right? This is a little bit easier for me to add, at least mentally. So I know I'm going to get $4, right? That's 20 cents from here, and 18 more cents. So in this case, right, Liz is not correct because that's $4 is not enough. You need Danny, he overestimated, right? But he said that 4.50 will be enough to buy all the apples, and that's correct, right? Because it's only cost 4.18. Now, if the apples had cost something like $3.50, then they would both be correct because in both cases, even though Danny is further off than Liz, they both, they were estimating amounts of money you could use to buy all the apples, and in that case, they're both correct. If it was 451, let's say, then neither of them would be correct because in that case, well, the money amounts that they gave are just not enough to buy the apples, even though Danny's very close. So in terms of purchasing power, right, that's the kind of estimation is here. You have to have at least as much as the product will cost, and in this case, it's $4.18. All right, hope this helped.